Well, the retirement boredom's really setting in. I'm polishing all my knives at some point or another. Latest one's Antonini from Maniago, Italy. It was a nice knife, but the finish was rough. Put together well, but rough. So what I've done is I've repolished all the backs, the springs. You see the blade there, the back of the blade, it's all polished. The springs, the brass, and the back. And the brass work. Then the pivot, I polished the pivots as well. And then I basically fed the wood with some oil and some beeswax and give it a polish. I think it looks a lot better. There you go, I'll show it down. See what it looks like when it's closed up. There you go. That's it. Catch you later. Bye now.